Hi guys! Welcome to Buchi Food Vlogs. Ito, magpa-fry tayo ng fish and chips. That means french fries. Okay, so binabad ko muna sa itlog ang tilapia and then hindi ko na pinakita kung paano ba. This is a fried fish na gagawin natin. Tilapia, it's like boneless and it's already deboned and everything. So ito na, hindi ko na pinakita. Niluto na natin and then pre-live na natin, ha? Pagkatapos madali lang siya. Very fast, very quick, easy to cook. And of course, hindi ko na rin pinakita sa inyo na niluto ko na yung fries to save the time. At ayan siya, pinaikot-ikot. So, and then we have to put the salsa. Alam mo naman tayo, mahilig sa chili sauce you can put any kind of sauce dito sa chips and fish and chips, pero I like salsa this time. So, ito na. If some of you hasn't or haven't been subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and put some comments down below and share if you like and liked, please. Okay. Huwag kayo mahihiyang lagyan ng sauce as much as you want and dito malalaman ang sarap. It's a medium heat dun sa salsa na nilagay ko, but it's really tasty. Kailangan luto yung isda. Kung hilaw, parang kailangan ibalik mo. So it's cooked, see, all white meat inside, so okay siya. Ready for taste test? Delicious. All right, ito na naman tayo nagwawakas. God bless you. I'll see you in the next vlog.